So here we have the one and only application that I recommend every single Firestick user installs on their device straight away. Now this is a multi-purpose application which will allow you to optimize your device, to run a speed test, to check for viruses, to check for malware, to stop things running in the background, and really just turbocharge your Firestick. So in this video today, let me show you how you can get this free application on all of your Amazon devices, and I'll show you the exact steps you need to follow to fully optimize your device. So please do take a moment to hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest Firestick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. Now the application in question is called DefSquid, and this was brought to my attention by Firestick helpers who sent me a tweet on Twitter letting me know about this new application. And again, that really is the best thing about this community, where we can share ideas, you can let me know about new applications, I can create videos for you, and together we really can make this the best community on YouTube. Let's open that up. Now the first thing the application does, it does a quick privacy test, and what that means is if you are somebody that only browses or only uses their Firestick with the VPN on, the first tab called privacy test will just confirm that your VPN is secure, and we can see that my security status is high, and the IP address you see there is not my IP address, it's actually the IP address of the VPN I'm using. Let's go to speed test. Now the speed test is a great way to quickly check your device and just to confirm that are you having any kind of connectivity issues, any kind of bandwidth issues. Here we can see on my device I'm easily pushing over 600 meg, and because of that speed I know that if there's any issue with any application, the problem is not my internet, the problem is more likely to be the application. So I do recommend doing a speed test regularly on your device just to make sure you don't have any of those connectivity issues. Next up we have cleaner. Now this is very important because one of the most common questions I get asked is on my Firestick or my Amazon device, where we know that storage is always a point of contention. People are always asking what's the easiest way to free up some space on their device. So if I click on start cleaning device, we can see the first thing is that do you want to delete all of the downloaded data. And what this means is all of the applications, all of the things you downloaded through downloader or anything in the download folder will automatically be cleared by this process. Now the reason why it's giving you a warning is some of you like to keep your application installation files, so in case you want to uninstall or install it again, you can then use those files. So if that's your use case, don't say yes to this. But as I just want to free up the most space on my device, I can click on yes. Give that a second. We can see this now trying to remove those residual junk files. It's also removing some of those cache files as well. It's now removing the application junk files. So different places, different directories on your Firestick are all being scanned with this application, and wherever it can find any junk files or temporary files or cache files, this process will then automatically remove them from your device. And it's removed 227 files, guys, so that is a lot of content that's been removed from my device. If I quickly go to the free space, we can see I now have over 2 gigs of free space, and when I started the process I only had about 1 gig free. So definitely following this process maybe once a month will help keep your device running as optimally as possible. Let's go back. Then we have virus scan. So this is where it starts getting a bit interesting, because so far we've done a speed test, we've done a privacy test, we've also removed some junk files, temporary files from our system. We can now even take it to the next level and scan our devices for viruses, for malware. And the way the process works is it goes through 60 different virus scanning engines to make sure that your application is totally safe. Now here we can see I've scanned one application and it's worked out that it's harmless. Let's say for example I want to scan this TV Bro. I can click on that. This will now start a manual scan for this application. It will scan it through those 60 different virus engines and then confirm whether the application is harmless or maybe potentially malicious or maybe just needs some attention. Now the best way to do this is obviously scan all of the applications on your device, and the way you can do that is you can click on start a deep scan of all, and this will scan all of the applications on your device and put them into those different categories. And we can see I now have 2 applications in the harmless category, so rest assured these applications are totally safe and I won't have any issues keeping them on my device. So let's now click on do a complete scan, and this is now going to scan all of those applications, put them through all of the different virus engines and confirm if all of them are safe or not. I do advise that the first time you install this, do a complete scan, and then that way you can have total confidence that all of the applications on your device are completely safe, and then moving forward, any new application you install on your device, you can just scan that individual application. And if any of you guys are still here with me, then if you drop a like on this video and leave the comment #DefSquid, then I know you made it this far in the video, which I always appreciate. I'll then heart your comment. Then we have my device. Now this is a great way for you to manage your overall device, find out some information about the device. Here we can see the exact model number, we can see the hardware chipset. So this is a quick way you can get to the different settings of your device and quickly manage and manipulate those settings. Now lastly, and by no means least, we have the most powerful feature of this application, which is the manage apps. Let's click on that. Now what this tells us is a number of different things. First, it tells you all of the applications running in the background, allows you to force stop those applications. Now next to each application where it says force stop, that actually means that the application is still running in the background. Now even though it may not be completely open or completely running, there is still some process for these applications which is running in the background. And the more things you have running in the background, that means more of your memory is being consumed, and the more memory that's being consumed, that means the greater chance you have of getting buffering on your device. So really what I'm trying to say, guys, is you want to have the least applications running in the background to really just turbocharge your device. Now if I go to the top here, say for example we can see that Freely TV is running. I click on force stop, click on force stop again, press back on the remote, and we can see now it says stopped. So whatever process was running in the background for the application has now been stopped, which means that memory has now been freed up, giving it back to my device. So overall, guys, great application. It really is an all-in-one application with that antivirus check, privacy test, speed test, manage your background applications, and even clear out all of your junk files. So really impressed with the application. Let me now show you how you can get this on all of your Amazon devices. Now to get this application on all of your Amazon devices, just go to the home screen, click on find, go to search, type in DefSquid, and even though it doesn't come up, click on that, scroll down, and under apps and games, you can click on that and install it from there. So that's all for this video, guys. Many thanks for watching. I really do think this is a great application, a great all-in-one application that all Firestick owners should install on their device. So really appreciate your support. Do leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.